Are you gonna be a chiropractor when you get older?
No.
Oh my God.
That felt really good.
I got shot with a Nerf gun.
Oh my God.
I didn't hear it.
Hands and feet in the vehicle at all times.
Felt that, like all the way down.
Holy shit.
Hello. Whoa.
That felt really good.
Oh
There we
my
go.
God.
Wait. I know what Ninja Turtles are, but I'm not sure what the sewer part is.
My eyes are watering. I'm cussing. Jesus.
So what type of things give you trouble? What type of things bother you?
My neck. My
Okay.
neck. All day, my neck.
I'm excited to work on the neck. This will be good. Your hip was hurting, right?
Yeah.
Which one? Can you point to it? Is it this whole leg?
It's more up in here.
More up in there, okay.
I feel good, but my lower back is kind of sore.
From sitting? Sitting up front or what?
I don't know. It's like probably both sitting and running around at Chili's, both.
Yeah,
combination
true
of
that,
all the
yeah.
Things.
How you doing today?
Good.
Doing pretty good? Mm-hmm. Nothing bothers you?
No. You just cracked me yesterday.
We're gonna go find the problems. She watched every single video, which is crazy. I don't know if I've ever had someone say that they've watched every single video.
I mean, she thought you like had an entire mansion.
Yeah. We're at the mansion office right now. How well can you see without the glasses? Can you take those off?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I can't see, but I can see.
Yeah. I don't need you to do too much, so how's it feeling when you're running?
It kind of feels bad.
Put it in overdrive. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness, wow. 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 A little bit on that left, but also a lot on the right too. Yeah, I just don't normally feel that on people. So what's all this going on? You stressed out about something?
Working here.
Hands on your hips. Hips, yep, there we go. And elbow back. Nice. Can we get a close-up, zoom in on this? That's where the problem is. Let's remember that when I walked in, I got shot with a Nerf gun.
Okay, sorry, it wasn't my idea.
Pull up the clip. Oh, hey. Ow, it does kind of hurt. Elbow back. There we go. Nice. You think she's gonna do okay with it?
I don't know.
How you feeling right now?
I'm fine.
Yeah? Drop this head down, nice and relaxed.
Oh my God. Holy beep, beep. I didn't know it would crack. Go ahead.
It cracks.
Are you crying? No, my eyes watered.
Cry for the camera, please.
Holy cow. I didn't even know what, oh, okay.
You didn't, whatever you thought was gonna happen, it wasn't that?
No, I knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah?
I just didn't know it was gonna happen.
You ready for the other side? Because we gotta do that too.
Okay.
Just drop this down right here on C1.
Oh
There we go.
my God, it did it. Oh, okay.
That one was a little quieter.
Yeah. Wow. That is motion there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's drop this head down, nice and relaxed.
I needed that.
Nice.
That felt really good.
Just drop this head down, we're gonna go right under the occiput. This side's definitely tighter. There we
Oh,
go.
that felt really good.
All right, just drop your head down, nice and relaxed. Wow, it's so stiff through here.
My bad.
All right, so we're gonna adjust the navicular here. Just drop the head down for me, nice and relaxed. Good. Navicular's in your foot, by the way.
I wouldn't know that. Yeah, my toes feel a lot looser now.
Good. This one's gonna help with the smell.
Okay, we're done.
I went too far though. That was too mean. All right, let's get this side. Just drop the head down, nice and relaxed. There we go.
Did it help?
What do you think Santa's gonna bring you?
One Ninja Turtle sewer.
Ninja Turtle sewer?
Yeah.
I know what Ninja Turtles are, but I'm not sure what the sewer part is. Little pull here. Good. Are you excited for Christmas?
Yeah.
Do you think you'll get the Ninja Turtle sewer thing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good.
You're at 2%.
2%? Okay. Got it?
Oh, okay. Oh, that went okay.
That was okay? Same thing here. There we go.
Oh, wow.
You feel that one?
I did.
Just relax this foot for me.
Okay.
Good. Good. And Skechers back on. Did these light up? Whoa. Whoa. And let it out. There we go.
Felt that, like all the way down.
All the way down?
Yeah, all the way
Did you
down.
feel it all the way down last time?
No, I felt
Really?
it like to like my middle of my back last time.
Just relax for me. Is it tight through here, buddy?
No.
Feels okay?
Yeah.
Good.
I didn't hear it.
That's where you put the towel,
Yeah.
ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't kill me. I promise we're gonna go real easy, okay?
Oh my God, you're really good.
This is it, yeah. Nice and relaxed for me.
Oh my God.
Well, good news, you live.
Oh.
She's going up.
Oh, he's,
okay?
yeah, oh,
Yeah,
great.
she's great. When they pop up, that's always a good sign. That means they're feeling good. Nice and relaxed. Okay, definitely let me know if you have any trouble breathing after this.
Okay. Okay.
Do you feel anything with that? No?
I can't breathe.
All right, mid back here, nice and relaxed. Really good. Okay. Wow.
That felt really good.
The TL junction, everybody loves that one. There we go. How you doing?
Good.
Nice. Comfy?
No.
All right, nice and relaxed. Good. Nice. And are you in a rush to get somewhere?
Back to work.
All right, we're gonna go through the mid back here. Nice and relaxed. There we go.
God.
Another one here. Good. And right down here. There we go. Those were nice and easy, right?
Yeah.
Hands and feet in the vehicle at all times, please.
Where do my legs go?
Where do your legs go? Just keep them attached to your hips there.
I'm here. I'm good.
Are you sure?
No.
There it is. Yeah, she's really tight. I don't know. Not really sure what's going on yet. Bring the elbows together for me. There it is.
Is this where you're gonna bend like a pretzel?
Yep. This is the pretzel move. Okay, nice and relaxed. We're gonna have to get the bleeper out for her, right?
Oh.
Same thing here.
My eyes are watering, I'm cussing, Jesus.
Viewer discretion advised. Good. There we go. Nice work. Perfect.
I think that's my favorite.
The low back?
Yeah.
There we go. Low back here, nice and relaxed. Nice. Just like that. Good. Nice. We're all done.
Oh, okay.
I can't tell if you liked it or not.
I did.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Turn my neck. See?
How's it? The camera's over here.
I can turn my neck.
Nice. How you doing?
Whole new person.
Ready for Thanksgiving now?
Ready for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Ready for work, ready for Thanksgiving.
There we
I feel a
go.
lot better.
Sweet. Go ahead and sit up for me. How we feeling?
Good.
Good?
I can breathe. I smell better. Yeah, I'm good.
Nice.